Welcome to our grooming kit comparison. Today we will dive into the features of two popular grooming kits. The Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 5471 and the Spaver 13-in-1 Trimmer. We'll examine their specifications, performance, and overall value to help you decide which one suits your grooming needs best. Let's get started. When it comes to pricing, the Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 5471 is significantly more affordable at $64, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. On the other hand, the Spaver 13-in-1 Trimmer comes with a higher price tag of $99, reflecting its premium features and extensive kit size. It's essential to consider what you're getting for the price and whether the additional features justify the cost. Battery technology is another crucial factor in our comparison. The Braun Style Kit utilizes an older NiMH battery that requires a lengthy 5-hour charge time, resulting in an 80-minute runtime. In contrast, the Spaver Trimmer boasts a modern lithium-ion battery that charges in just 1.5 hours, providing a quicker turnaround for users who are always on the go. This difference in battery technology can significantly impact your grooming experience. Water resistance is a vital feature for many users. The Braun All-in-One Style Kit is 100% waterproof, allowing for easy cleaning and use in the shower. This feature enhances convenience and hygiene. Conversely, while the Spaver Trimmer has washable heads, it is not fully waterproof, which limits its usability in wet conditions. This could be a deciding factor for those who prefer grooming in the shower. In conclusion, both grooming kits offer unique advantages. The Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 5471 is perfect for those seeking affordability, precision, and full waterproofing. Meanwhile, the Spaver 13-in-1 Trimmer is ideal for users who prioritize fast charging and a comprehensive kit. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your grooming needs and budget. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.